Welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode, I explore a term or concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. This is episode 52, and we're going to be talking about the spring market and when do we get started. It's actually the last in a 12-part series on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the info you need to be prepared for that market. In our area, the busiest time of the year is certainly the spring. It starts with transfer season for our local Coast Guard base and stretches into the late spring when families are done with school and can begin moving. If you look at the last entry, you can see that our timeline of 60 to 75 days from initial meeting to close in an active market is pretty standard. When things slow down, it will certainly take additional time. Your timeline may also vary, but if you want to hit the spring market, we should definitely be in motion and early in the new year. I've actually already started the process in the late fall for some sellers, hoping to get a jump start on the spring market as soon as the calendar turns over. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.